Okay, guys, I found the best way to pet your cat. First, you rub the cat. You rub the cat. You rub the cat. I'm home. I got the milk. Son, are you okay? You rub the cat. You rub the cat. You rub the cat. You rub the cat. Oh my god, son, are you okay? You rub the cat. You are clearly not okay. Okay, I'm coming. I'm coming to you. You rub. Yo, why is it so dark? Hello? Hello? How am I here? You must rub the cat. No, I don't want to. You must rub the cat. No, no, oh, no. Oh, isn't that bad? This is so satisfying. I don't think I could take my hand off. Maybe just one more hour of petting will be okay. Yeah.